What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy. This is TheDollarTree. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yes, timestamps are in the description. Appreciate everybody who's been coming through, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, because I need that algorithm off my back. I'm starting to get a hunch from them weighing on it. I'm just leaning on it so much. So make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you know when we upload a new video. Make sure you hit all. All right. There's an elephant in the room. Okay, no, it's not. There's something else going on here. All right, there is a Mars mission happening right now for XRP. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to discuss my comments from my previous XRP video as well as discuss the recent price action and what's attributing to that, as well as go over what's going on right now on the charts with XRP and the price action that we may or may not be looking forward to. Okay. Let's start with my comments from the previous video. All right. In the previous video, I talked about the good, the bad, and the ugly with XRP. The ugly being the fact that it has horrendous price performance over the last year and a half, 2 years or whatever. All right. Just because XRP suddenly goes to 75, 78 cents does not absolve it from that horrendous price action. All right. Let me make that clear. That also doesn't mean that it's suddenly going to be, that doesn't also mean that the price action is suddenly going to change. Okay, this is a part of cryptocurrency, man. When these coins suddenly are boost building, when it's building, accumulating, building, accumulating, building, accumulating, boom, right? So, but we're going to get into a few other things as well. But the first thing I want to address is that comment particularly, as well as the point of it being great for passive income. That doesn't change. You know, price action just moving sideways is not the only thing attributed to passive income or dividends, all right? For dividends or passive income, whatever. Now, I just need to make that clear, you know, before people say, oh, you were wrong. I never said XRP wasn't going to go up, because in the original XRP video, I talked about the ultimate price target of what? 82 cents. Yes, I did. You can go back and roll it back. All right. Now, how long it would take to get there? That's almost impossible to determine. You can ask any professional trader, top tier trader. They will never be able to tell you, oh, it's going to take off. You can't do it. All right. So that's number one, just addressing those comments from the first video. Let's talk about this price action and what's contributing to it next. All right. I firmly believe that this extended surge is a reinvigoration of the XRP maximalist, all right? The XRP supremacist and beyond. Now, let's not get it twisted. I like XRP, but like I've said many times before, I'm not beholden. I'm not at the behest of any individual coin. You know, I'm all about increasing the value of my portfolio, not saying that I am a holder or a supporter of any particular coin, all right? Even though I have favorites as far as investment opportunities. So as far as the price being held down, some people can attribute it to XRP dropping coins off onto the market from escrow. Some people really do feel as though the price was artificially held down purposely, leading to XRP's terrible performance over the years. I mean, it's possible, but I mean, XRP is also pretty large market cap as well, but we can't say that's an excuse either, right? Because look at Ethereum. Ethereum is a larger market cap and has overperformed XRP. So what is it? So I posed a question for you guys. I don't dive deep into that aspect of crypto. However, Chico Crypto, shout out to Chico Crypto on YouTube, does. All right, so you can check out his channel for those types of deeper dives into crypto, the inner workings and the inner links. But I want to know from you guys, what do you think was the reason for XRP's terrible price action and being held down for so long? I mean, so many bullish patterns failed or underperformed their breakouts that, you know, that led to the aspect of, you know, the idea of XRP being great due to its sideways minimal movement price action. Now it dumps hard, right? Because regardless of whether it's been pumping up with everything else, it dumps just as hard or harder. I mean, it went all the way down to 10 cents from the all-time high of around $3.50, somewhere around there. So now, with that being said, I think there's a lot of FOMO. A lot of FOMO going. I mean, there are people who are already like, yeah, XRP is cheap. It's a great coin. It's a top coin. Let's go. And then the price performance was like, man, I'm getting rid of that. I ain't holding on to that. I think those people are looking at XRP now and they're going, let's get this XRP going. Hey, be careful, because this is still cryptocurrency. Because what goes up quick and many a times drops even faster, just as quick or even harder, right? So understand, you do not want to chase green. Remember what I said on this channel. Sell green, buy red. You know, it's like a Jedi mind trick. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you got that? Yeah, you got it. You understand. But yeah, okay, let's just talk about what it is. It's very good. It's amazing. You know, congratulations to the people who are in it. You know, from XRP going from about 24 cents, to basically 3x'd in a matter of days. But if you account for the beginning of the month, you know, about 3 weeks, you got, you know, over 300% gains, 3x out of XRP. That, especially over the previous 2 years. Anyway, either way, you know, I think people are looking at the recent price action and XRP and they're going, oh, I'm in. You know, creating even more of an artificial demand potentially for XRP, just boosting that price up just that much more. But nonetheless, what we're going to do now is we're going to go take a look at the charts to end this off, and then I'll give my final thoughts. But let's go take a look at the charts and see, and just take a look at this crazy green candle on XRP. This is just crazy. All right, here we go. Weekly chart. Let's get it started. So, all right, from the last video, talking about XRP, I drew lines, you know, like we all do. I drew some lines. I just made up some stuff, right? But anyway, you know, on a serious note, I talked about how 50 cent has become your bullish zone for XRP. Above your previous resistance that you hit in 2019 that you couldn't even get back to in 2020's run up thus far, up to this point at least. So, now, the reason why I stated that is for the same reason of your longest time staying in this range. And after all of that accumulation, it is by no surprise that when the run-up did come, it would be past that 50 cent resistance. Now, that's what you're looking at for the two lines drawn on the 1 hour. Let's go down to the daily. Now, on the daily, now you can see that also that lower trend line that I drew, or the lower resistance line that I drew, excuse me, at 35 cents. And I drew this because this is where you've constantly gotten rejected. You get close to it, 34.7. You get close to it, you test it, but you would never be able to break it. You just had too many people looking to take profits off XRP, and you know that could be attributed to the poor price action. You know, so they weren't waiting to see if it was going to go up because they assumed it was going to go down. So, and you know, from the first time of it testing 34 cents, it came all the way down to 10 cents from there. Big sell-off, and that of course was the March sell-off. And then to the right, you got three opportunities of, you got a large run-up right here. Let me highlight that for you. You got look like a head and shoulders, but you got the three peaks where you got to 32 cents. You got into 32 cents twice, and then the last time 29 cents before selling off and then trading in the range. All right, so your best bet right now, if you all right, let's go down to the 12 hour. Let's get a better look at this. Okay, on the 12 hour, there's not much to see here other than your price just went absolutely parabolic. I mean, you blew through pretty much every indicator with this run up. And you know what? Now that you've officially broken the first one of 35 cent or 34 cent, we know that that could be a support area for XRP in the event that it comes back down in a bearish, you know, a swan event or just a bearish cycle. So let's go down to the 8 hour actually. Let's just take a look at the 8 hour real quick. All right, on the 8 hour, this is a perfect opportunity for me to point out my long wick indicator that I use from time to time and looking at these charts. So what do I mean? You see this long line from that red candle that I have circled where the yellow where the yellow circle is, and then the blue line drawing away from it. That is where your price could potentially be going. Okay, I'm going to say that if you're okay, that has to hold. Okay, if you want to remain bullish, I already said in the previous video, above 48.50 cents is bullish for XRP. So now we're going to see that the top of the red wick from, okay, let me show you a second screenshot. On the second screenshot, I drew a line from the top of the wick, the red wick going in the upward direction. And that price gives you 50 cents. You have to hold 50 cents. Now at the bottom of this, I'm going to show you a third screenshot at 40 cents. These three lines are places where the price could potentially go. All right, now if the market remains bullish, expect it to not go any lower than the first screenshot of 56 cents. All right, that's where the circle is. That's where the long wick is. If it is to remain bullish, you've already pulled back pretty good from your run up to about 78 cents. So of course you're going to look at, that 48 to 50 cent area to be support, which is pretty much, where the second line is down to the third line, which is 40 cent. You don't want to go below 40 cent if a pullback happens within the entire market during this run up. But again, we have to wait and see what happens. So before we could determine, what's next, we gotta let the market tell us what's gonna happen here. So now looking down on the 4 hour, I want to show you guys something even more interesting. I want to show you guys this parabola that I drew from previous price support. I'm going to zoom out to the 12 hour and show you this line, the line from a previous trading range that I drew, so you guys can see this. There you go. Excuse me, this is the daily. There you go. Look at this. Straight up. But on the lower time frames. Now, okay, so here on the daily, it looks like it's already going parabolic, right? Here on the daily. But once you zoom back down into the 4 hour, it looks like it's still got some more to go. Let me zoom in here on the 4 hour. Get around here. It still looks like it's got a little bit more to go. Now, this is just a thought, something that I'm putting together right now just to try and gauge what's happening with this price for XRP. Now, with the lines that I drew down on the 8 hour, of course, that would be pretty much closely matched up. Let me bring you back over to this 8 hour now. That would bring you pretty closely matched up to these support lines, especially down at the yellow circle in the red long wick. All right, so just an idea. Let's see what happens. Again, judging off previous resistance, because we know previous resistance becomes support. That is why I came up with this idea. But again, if the market remains bullish, this idea could actually be accurate. Very interesting, and I want to see what happens. I mean, overall, I expect many more coins to do what XRP has done. I mean, that's just the way crypto rolls. So, I mean, congratulations to everybody in XRP who were in, at low prices and was able to take advantage of that run up. And yeah, I mean, look, price prediction for XRP. I don't have one, to be honest with you. When the market starts to go crazy like this, I mean, it's no holds barred. You just got people just buying in, trying to cash in on a run up. And, they can't calculate that the coin is already 3x this month, from the low of the month. But anyway, that's all I got for XRP in this video. I'll give some updates, of course, because things is getting crazy in the market right now. So I had to do this kind of like impromptu XRP video based on everything that's been happening with it over the last 2 days. But anyway, video requests, you already know what to do. Let us know in the comment section. Also challenges. Listen, the 10K to 100K challenge, I'll give an update on that soon. Not really much going on. Yeah, you could DM us on Instagram at the.dollar.tree as well. What else? I think that's pretty much it. I got work to do. I gotta eat my lunch. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, all right?